My name is Lauren, and today I'm going to discuss how to dye black hair. If your hair is naturally very dark, brown, or black, you can use a at-home coloring system. However, you do not want to lift it that much. You would have very slight change in the color, maybe lift by like a level or two. If you would like to go a lot lighter than where you are with black, I suggest going to a salon in order for them to do it. The professional color can get a little bit higher volume peroxide, which will actually help bring your hair up to a higher level, plus counteract any brassiness that it may undergo. If you are going to be doing it at your house because you would just like a little bit, you can either use that home highlighting kit, and you can put a little bit on the brush that they supply for you, and you're simply going to paint some highlights on a section of hair. When you let go of it, you're simply going to release it. You're not going to put it down, you're not going to place it down, bring it back with the rest of the hair. What happens is you get little spots on the underlying hair, which can make it look very stripy or leopardy. So you're going to paint, lift, and release. You can also put regular color on your hair from root to end, although I wouldn't suggest doing a major change at home. If your hair is colored black, the only way for you to get that color out is to go to a salon and get it professionally done. Salons carry either hair color removers, which will lift any deposited hair color out of the hair while keeping the natural hair color intact, or you can get your hair highlighted in order to start to lighten it up. It will be impossible for you to actually lift black hair color out of your hair from your house using home highlighting kits or any other color. So that is how to dye black hair.